Watch and learn how to use the word baluster.
Baluster.
Baluster. Baluster.
Baluster.
A short decorative pillar, forming part of a series, supporting a rail or coping. Parts of a staircase. Baluster. Handrail, stringers, tread. Newel, riser.
Holding the baluster with one hand. Holding the baluster with one hand.
Over the door, a limestone balcony has a stone railing with balusters and finials. Over the door, a limestone balcony has a stone railing with balusters and finials. The vintage staircase and chimney were replaced with floating oak steps and slatted oak balusters that create a natural wood art piece in the living room. The vintage staircase and chimney were replaced with floating oak steps and slatted oak balusters that create a natural wood art piece in the living room. Have you ever heard the words baluster, balustrade and banister, and wondered what do they all mean? Are they the same thing or are they different things? Are these just the same word said different ways? Well, here is a simple explanation of the differences. A baluster is a vertical piece between a railing and other wood or the floor that adds support and safety. A short and decorative post or pillar that supports a top rail. The term baluster actually comes from the Italian word for pomegranate flowers, balustra, which was chosen because these architectural features sometimes mimic them. Balusters can be made of wood, iron, stone, and other materials. The term baluster is interchangeable with the word spindle. A balustrade is comprised of an assembled top rail, balusters or spindles, and often a bottom rail, posts, post caps, and decorative finials. It is a composite made up of individual parts, such as the balusters and a railing or handrail. It can be used indoors or outdoors for staircases and balconies, as well as decorative structures. The banister is actually used as a name for a staircase baluster, although it is commonly referring to the handrail of the structure.